Quick update, 2 days after tropical storm we have here in southwest Florida, guys. Still very windy as you see, and the water it's really pretty still dark and dirty. Don't come to fish on hard landing because this was damaged by the hurricane and it's closed, guys. As you see, guys, you can even see inch deep in the water and it's all dirt. I mean, it is pretty bad. So give yourself a week because no boats goes out there fishing, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, we are still in love in paradise. Bye bye now.